Magandang umaga po. Ako si Sewan Gay S. Shanko. Gagawa ko ng makeup. Ito ng gamit natin.
Careful, slowly anak, slowly. Slowly. Oh. Ayos mo ang dikit dun sa ano. Ang dikit mo sa white anak, sa whiteboard. Careful, slowly, wag lukot ang papel. Slowly, pantay mo anak. Pantay mo anak, pantay. Pantay mo anak, wait lang, pantay mo. Don't like that, pantay. Pantay mo, ayan. The other one side. No, this one. This one anak, this one. Wait lang, yun ito pantay. Wait lang, bebe, wait lang. Like that. Okay. Oh, tapos, the other one. The other one. Write your name on. Bigletter mo. Yan. Tapos, sige po anak. Write po yung name mo. Yan. Very good. Yan. Good boy. You want to write your Gail? Simon Gail? You want to write Gail? Oh, you write Gail. Yan. Very good. Yan. Good job. Wow. Good job. Slowly. Careful. Next time, you write properly the letter G, ha? Okay? Your phone. The other one. Wow, good job. Oh, you were that. Sit down properly. Then no. Yan, good job. All right.
Mama, oh!
Wow. Oh, smile. Smile na. I will picture. Wow. Oh, you look the camera. Smile. All right. Say thank you. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you,
That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.